Measure how high you want to be the house without the roof. This will be the roof on the lateral side of the house. I draw the door and the window. Now I glue a piece of cardboard inside. Some piece of cardboard for inside the house for the resistance. Now glue the cartoon inside, cut the roof and glue it. To make the chimney roof, cut a piece of cardboard and bend it like this. Make a mark and cut a triangle. First, glue the cardboard here. Glue around small pieces of cardboard. Paint the roof with black acrylic paint. Mix white and red. Apply varnish. I glue the door. Glue white paper on the window. Glue the window on the house. Let's make a support for the house. Take a piece of foam and with a soldering iron I want to make form of rock. Let's make the stairs. Now let's make some big stones. Paint with gray, brown and black. I glue the house. I paint also with yellow and red. Take some stick and glue it. I'm using a silicone glue.